How to always run apps or programs as an administrator in Windows 11. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you always can run apps or programs as an administrator in Windows 11. But before we go into that, please take your time to subscribe to this channel, and because I make tutorials like this every week, and I would really appreciate if you took your time to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so let's head over to this tutorial. Let's say you want to run this Spotify app always as an administrator. What you want to do is to right click it, and then you want to go to properties, and then you want to click the advanced button right here. And the next thing you want to do is to tick this box, run as an administrator, and then you want to click OK, and then you want to click apply. So that is basically how you always make programs or apps run as an administrator. But there is an easier way to do this, because you basically need to do this on every app or program that you want to run as an administrator. You can actually, every time you open an app, you can press Ctrl+Shift on your keyboard, and the app will always open as an administrator. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.